Just the back of the house, and you will run a bead of caulk along this outer edge here, a little bit toward the inside, but right along here. You'll do the same thing on this one. You can take this piece, put a little dab here to act as glue. Then when you get your caulk in, you take this piece with the mirror part to the outside. Be careful with your fingers. You put the bevel up to the top, and that bevel matches the same one here. You'll do the same with this one. Side in, and again, be careful. Watch your fingers. Let me do it because I got my fingers here. Roof line. Looks like you're ready for the roof. Best thing to do for the roof is down with the back down. That's right. The roof will be flush to the table there. Let it stick out the front. You can do a couple of practice runs first to make sure you know how to place it. How did we have? Remember how he showed us?
Walk it across the grinder.